You don't really have shoes unless you live with them. What the heck did that mean? I think I'm on drugs. What's up guys, it's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. So I did a poll on Instagram because I knew for sure I was doing a spring video, and I saw if you guys wanted to do a spring outfit video or spring hairstyles. It was pretty close. I'll put the poll final results up here, but I decided to do this one because it had more votes. But if you really want the hairstyles, let me know because it was close. So follow my Instagram and my Snapchat. They're both Emma Q Patterson. It is a collab with my good YouTube friend Madison Alexis S. We're both making spring themed videos. So her link to that video will be on the top of the description. She's amazing. Has almost 5,000 subs. Get her there. Maybe she is there. I don't know right now. But she's awesome. Subscribe to her. Watch her video. Like it. Give her some love. And we just want to bring you the good vibes of spring. So I'm going to show you guys some outfits. I'm also going to try them on for you so you can see what it looks like. But without further ado, let's get on with it. Okay, so I split this up into a few categories, and I have one outfit for each category. I have a lazy / comfy day, casual everyday, athleisure, date night, and like a work / professional outfit. So you guys can get all types of inspiration. So let's start with the lazy / comfy day. But I picked out some shorts from Target. These are yellow with palm trees, and they're just really flowy and comfy, so I thought they'd be perfect for the lazy day outfit. And then this is one of my favorite outfits actually that I just wear around the house or whatever, because I also paired it with this slight v-neck like tank top. This is from Forever 21 and it's so comfortable. And I actually kind of like tucking it into the shorts. I think it's cute. And then for the shoes, I got these hot pink slides with the velvet bows. And I know that it kind of clashes, like it looks kind of weird, but I kind of like that. I don't know. It's a statement, and especially for a comfy day, like you don't care. So, wow, we're just gonna fly right through this, aren't we? Next, for our everyday outfit. For the shirt, I have this top from Forever 21. It's like a slight crop top, which I haven't really been wearing or enjoying crop tops, but it's very springy. So it has long sleeves, and I just love the yellow. I think yellow is such a springy color. And then look how perfectly these shoes match. These are yellow checker Vans, and it would just complete the outfit with these pants. I just have a pair of black jeans that I got from Forever 21, and then a white belt, and I think I would complete that with a jean jacket as well. I really like the look of a jean jacket with black jeans. I'm gonna do my date night outfit next because it's my favorite and I'm really excited, so I'm just gonna show you. Dear boyfriend, take me on a date please, because I really want to wear this. I have this, is my favorite thing on the whole planet. It is a denim dress. Also, the whole thing is like a zipper. I just think that's adorable. Such a unique touch. And it has these buckles, and it's just freaking adorable. And to make that more springy, underneath I'm going to wear this bright pink flamingo t-shirt. This is from Old Navy in the men's section. And then for the shoes, I have matching baby pink Converse, which are a little dirty, but you don't really have shoes unless you live with them. What the heck did that mean? You don't love your shoes unless you wear them and get them dirty. There you go. But I think that would be an adorable outfit. Next, let's do athleisure. So I have these gray yoga pants, which I think like a really light gray would be nice, but I don't have any. And then I'm gonna wear a gray Calvin Klein sports bra underneath this workout tee, which is from Forever 21, and I love like muscle tees. I think they look really cute because it like shows a sports bra, and it's very like airy, you know, for the spring when it starts to get warmer. And then for the shoes, I have these Nike Air Maxes. I don't know if that's exactly what they're called, but these are like my favorite shoes. But I just think I love these shoes. That's it. Last but not least, for my work professional outfit, I have this gray dress that ties in the front. This is from American Eagle, and it's very soft and long sleeve. And to kind of brighten it up, I have this cute pink infinity scarf. And for my shoes, I originally chose some like nice short boots with a heel, but boots just seem fall and wintry. So I chose these shoes, which are my nice chunky heels. They're just a nice nude color. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Follow my stuff and give me some video recommendations. I'm getting back into it. Enjoy your summer. I think I'm on drugs. I'm not, don't worry, I've never done drugs. Have a great day, everyone. Make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time.